Welcome back to the channel. In this simple video we are going to be looking at the WUMP airdrop. So this is the first airdrop on Discord where they reward you based on the age or the time you have spent on Discord. All you have to do is connect your, it will basically be on the screen, connecting your Discord to this website wump.xyz, and you will be rewarded tokens based on the time you have spent on Discord. Then just click on continue and you'll be brought to such a page. So in this section you have tasks and rewards. So rewards is where you'll be seeing tasks that you have completed and the tokens that they have rewarded you. And here on tasks is where you come and do the simple tasks that they will be giving you. Right now this task has an issue. They have some slow functionality on their end. People can't join the Discord because the traffic was a lot and the join feature isn't working. So make sure you come back and complete this task when it's done. So most of the tasks, they will be telling you to add the WUMP name alongside your name. So let me show you here. So this is my Discord. All you have to do is click on edit. So you will click here on your profile, then click on edit profile. Then here you add like WUMP, you put some stroke, like you divide your name, okay? Then you write WUMP in that area. Then another thing, they will tell you to join their Telegram. So just click on that link, it will take you to Telegram, and click on the join link that will be there and come back and click on check. The moment they verify that you have joined, they will reward you those tokens. Then the other tasks are inviting friends. So if you invite 2 friends, you get this amount of WUMP tokens. 5 friends, 10 friends, 15 friends, so and so on and so on. So also the moment you join, like the moment they work on the join feature, we'll be able to send the tokens in Discord. When you send at least 50 WUMP, you come back here and check and they'll reward you with 200 WUMPs. Those who have some money and you want to support them, you can boost their Discord server and you'll be rewarded with this. But remember, it's not compulsory, you can leave it alone. Those are the few tasks. You will find something like post, like make a post about WUMP on X. So just go ahead and create that post like I did mine. As you can see here, I just made a post about them. Just make sure you put this tag in your tweet, and basically I'm just telling people about this airdrop for them to join, and I'll also be making those points for referring or like telling those people about WUMP. It will also be a task on this list if it's your first time seeing this. As I said, in this section of rewards you'll be seeing this, and on a daily basis they'll be giving us 200 plus WUMP. So every day, just make sure you come back and check on the airdrop and get these free tokens. Okay, so based on the age on my account, which was around, let me check properly here, it was 3 years and 7 months, I guess. Yeah, this is it. It was 3 years and 7 months, and I managed to get these amounts of tokens. So it's a simple airdrop that you can do, and let's see where it takes us. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.